The era of the modern millionaire has arrived. Welcome to a new era, the era of the modern millionaire. Inspired by the book From the Diary of a Modern Millionaire, "A Wealth Lies Within Us," this is a time of transformation, alignment, and profound understanding of life's true abundance. Every era has its defining energies, and today we've transitioned from centuries of conflict, judgment, and comparison into a new millennium of heart-centered living. This shift began over 2,000 years ago, when we were taught to love our enemies, ourselves, and God equally. The message was clear: reconciliation, both outward and inward, is the key to peace. But true peace doesn't stop there. It's about surpassing self-judgment, letting go of comparisons, and embracing who we are. And here's the beautiful truth: personal growth doesn't mean rejecting material wealth. In fact, it requires harmonizing with it. For centuries, success was measured solely by material possession. Money was often seen as the ultimate goal. But the energy of the new millennium is different. It calls us to balance materiality with spirituality, placing the soul, heart, and intuition first. When we lead with these, material success naturally follows as a reflection of our inner alignment. Mark Victor Hansen, co-author of Chicken Soup for the Soul, was one of the first to recognize this shift. He coined the term Enlightened Millionaire. When we accept ourselves fully, we no longer need to compete or prove our worth. Instead, we can focus on what truly matters: inner growth and living in alignment with our heart's purpose. So, how do we embody the energy of a modern millionaire? When we align with our true selves, when our actions resonate with our heart's values, the universe supports us in ways we can't imagine. It starts with harmonizing with the energy of money, ensuring it doesn't control us. This isn't about rejecting materiality, but understanding its role in our journey. Closing thoughts. The modern millionaire stands out not by rejecting life's challenges, but by embracing them as opportunities for growth, emphasizing a new kind of success, one that blends financial abundance with positive global impact. His mission is to create millions of millionaires, not just for personal wealth, but to inspire a wave of giving and change in the world. They recognize that all energies, whether money, relationships, or adversity, serve their journey toward truth. As Stephen Turoff wisely said, when you can openly declare your love for God, He sends His power through that love. This power drives the modern millionaire, fueling a life of purpose, abundance, and joy. Personal peace and material abundance are deeply interconnected. To thrive, we must master all areas of life: our emotions, thoughts, relationships, finances, spirituality, and even our connections with those who challenge us. Are you ready to embrace this era of transformation? To uncover the wealth that's already within you? The universe is waiting to support your journey. The era of the modern millionaire has arrived. Step into your truth today.